Hello and welcome to Archi Tools. In this video, we'll be creating curtain walls for our project, and we will be discussing some of the problems we might be facing while providing curtain walls in our project. One would be that the curtain wall is not cutting through the masonry wall. The other would be providing curtain grids and mullions. We'll also discuss creating new sizes for the mullions, and we'll be also discussing about how we can adjust the corners of curtain walls. So let's get started. First of all, I'll create a wall, and now I'll be providing a curtain wall inside this. I'll go to my wall category, and in the below portion I will find the curtain wall. We have few options already provided. So one is the empty curtain wall. In that we don't have curtain grid already provided. The second would be exterior uh, glazing type. So, this is according to the curtain grid positions. All these three categories are placed. So I will choose the curtain wall storefront and provide it like this. So it's giving a warning that the highlighted walls overlap, and if I press on escape button, you would find that the curtain wall is not cutting the wall properly. If I choose to select and see the constraints are proper and it should have cut the wall. The problem lies in the storefront edit type. In the construction category, you would find a option of automatically embed, and this option is not selected. For curtain wall, to cut through the wall, this option must be selected. So I'll tick on this and press on OK. So this fully cuts the wall at up till the height, and I will provide a top constraint up till level 1. So as you can see, some curtain grids are already provided, and you might be wondering how it is positioned. So if I click on this storefront and again go to the edit type, you will find these vertical grid spacing and the horizontal grid spacing. So for the vertical grid, it is kept at maximum spacing. I would be keeping it at a fixed distance, and I will be providing a fixed distance, let's say 1600. And for horizontal grid layout, fixed distance 2400. I will also keep this at 1600 and press on OK. Now, the curtain grids are provided both vertically and horizontally. If I go into 3D and show it to you, these are the curtain grids upon which our mullions will be placed. If you want to create uh, any new curtain grid, you can also do so by providing a curtain grid from this option, and you can place it at your desired location. Now, going on to providing the mullion part in the architecture tab only, after the curtain grid option, you would find a mullion option, and we have three options over here. So at the initial stage, I would be providing curtain grid at all the grid lines. I will click on this and select my curtain grid. Now, if I show you on 3D, so the mullions have been placed on all the grid lines. If I show you the other options, how this is working, I'll again go to the mullion, and this time I'll choose a grid line. So if I choose the grid line, it will be placing mullion on the selected particular grid line only. Also, this mullion, vertical mullion, can also be can only be provided in elevation or in 3D. If I want to provide it in the plan view, uh, you can find that it is not possible to do so. Similarly, for the grid line also, we can only provide it in the visible area region only, which is possible for vertical grids through 3D or through elevation. So this time I'll be using a grid line segment. So grid line segment just chooses a segment to provide the mullions, not the whole part, which I don't require. So I'll be using this grid line only and provide my mullion over here. I hope this part is clear to you. Now moving on to the corners part, I will be providing my curtain wall below also so that we get a corner over here like this. And again choose to provide my mullion at all grid lines. Now at this portion you can see that the corner is not behaving properly. I'll be selecting this part and choose my rectangular mullion to my corner mullion. We have two options which is already provided by default in the Revit. So if I choose my trapezoid corner mullion, it is somewhat like this. So I need to adjust this so that these two both just connect to each other, and it is asking to delete one mullion because in the corner only one mullion is possible, so I'll delete one of them. As you can see, even though we have provided a curtain wall up till the corner, we still have this wall part at this portion which is misbehaving. So in order to get rid of that, firstly I'll go to my 3D view and provide a in place component in the wall category. I'll provide my void extrusion and set my work plane by picking a work plane. Now I'll place my rectangle for this corner. Now I'll cut my wall. Select this wall which is going below and select this void. Click on OK. So this portion is looking fine now. I just need to change the mullions on the above portions as we have done for the below mullions. So I'll select this mullion and change its category to a trapezoid corner mullion and delete the extra mullions which we have from the other end. So this part has been properly made. Now I'll just copy it and show you the other option of the corner. We have V corner mullion, which is something like this. We can provide. Next is I want to place my different size for the mullion. We have a rectangular mullion, but its size is not as per our need. We can change it by going into the edit type and duplicating it. So, for example, if I need my curtain mullion depth to be as per my wall depth, so we can keep it by selecting it and duplicating this part as per the wall depth and providing a thickness over here. So I'll go into 3D and select all of this, go into filter and just checking the curtain wall mullion, pressing on OK, and again I'll be changing my rectangular mullion to what we have made just now. Going into the plan, we have changed all the mullions, so the trapezoidal mullion is also being changed. So if I keep this part, this corner mullion also needs to be duplicated and be provided a depth. So I will change this 150 mm to 290 mm and I'll provide my depth of 290 here as well. I'll just trim it so that we can join both of them. And that's it. If you still have any query related to curtain walls, let me know in the comment box and I can help out. Do like and subscribe for getting more into learning Revit. Have a great day. Take care.